everyone! Today I'm going to read a book called Errol's Garden by Gillian Hibbs. So let's read. I'm really good at growing things. I'm so good at it that we started running out of room at home. What I really wanted was a real garden. I dreamed about my garden a lot. Then one day, I noticed something I'd never seen before. I'd always thought that we lived on the top floor, but there was another button. And there was a roof. I couldn't believe I hadn't seen it before. This was the perfect spot for a garden. I told Dad and Tia right away. We learned as much as we could about roof gardens. But we needed help. Luckily, everyone else was just excited as me. We made a plan. Everyone had different things to bring, which was good, because there were lots of different things to do. And there's Dua. I love picking all the fruit and vegetables. I really love carrots. Gardens are fun because they are always changing. So what will you grow next year? I hope you enjoyed my story. This story is linked to my growing potatoes video that you can see on my channel. Please subscribe. Bye!